southwestern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, southeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, until 1:15 p.m. At 9:60 a.m. Radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warm area. Has fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected again shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorm. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas. Underpasses as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations may experience flooding. Hopewell, Washington Crossing. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.